Hello everyone, welcome back to Don Flavors channel once again. Today I want to show you how to do a passport size picture. But before I show you, don't forget to hit down the subscribe button to subscribe. Alright, let's move on to what we are about to do today. So this is a sample of the passport picture size. Now I will show you how to do this passport picture size. Then you can print this whole passport picture size. Then what? Then you cut them. Then you use them to do whatever you want to do. Also, I will show you how to save a copy of one passport picture, a copy of this. Then you can use it to fill any form online and anywhere. Alright, let's move on. Let's open to a new blank document. So this is a new blank document. Press enter to let this cursor go down so that you can do any clicks. Alright, so let's move on. So first of all, you have to insert a picture. So you insert picture, so you click on insert and you click on picture, so on this device. So I have a picture on my device. I will choose a picture, then use it. Yeah, so this is a picture I will use to do the passport size. Then you move on to crop this picture. So you right click on this picture, you right click on, then you crop picture. So this is it. I will crop this picture. You have to let the cursor be on this black spot, then you push it. Alright, so this is it. When you are done cropping this picture, you press on enter button on your keyboard, enter. So there is it. So when you are done, you right click on this same picture again, then you choose wrap text, then you move on to choose in front of text, so that you can move this picture anywhere on the Word document. Alright, then you right click on this picture again, you choose size and position. Now our passport picture size we will use is 4.5 by 3.5 centimeters. So you click on log aspect ratio, then you write 4.5, then here is 3.5, then you tap on enter. So this is our passport picture size. This is the passport picture size. So the next thing you will do is to look for picture border. So this is the picture format. then you choose picture border here. So picture border, then the weight, you choose the weight for it. So either 2.5, 1.5, 1. You can choose the weight. So let me choose 1.5 for the weight. 1.5. Alright, so I'm done with this one single passport picture size. Now let's right click on it to copy. So I'll copy this and paste. So I'll paste it here. I'll copy again. I'll paste, then add it here. I can paste, then add it here. Yes, so this is a 4 size passport pictures. Now I want to copy all these, so I'll use Ctrl+C and copy, then come down, then paste. Alright, I will come down again, then paste. So these are my passport picture sizes. I'm done with my passport picture sizes. If you want more, you can bring the cursor down, then paste again. Let's use this. Alright, so I'm done. Now I can save this Word document, then print it, then cut it into various sizes. What if I want to use this single picture size for filling of my forms or to fill any form? Now it is very simple. First of all, you have to get a bundle. Then, because if I copy this single one, if I copy, then try to save it on my desktop, to paste it on my desktop, I will not be able to get this size. So if you have a WhatsApp on your desktop, it will seem very easy for you. I already have my internet connection. I also have my WhatsApp account. This is it. This is my WhatsApp account. Now if I want to save this, I've already copied the picture, the single picture, so I will right click here, then paste this picture. Yes, this is it. Then I can send to the person I'm doing it for, or to myself. So I can send it to myself here. This myself, I can send it to myself. So the picture is loading. Alright, so this is it. After, I will tap on this, then I will click here, then save as. So this is, I will save as. Then I save. So I'm done saving it. Let me look for the size and see. So this is it. Let me search for it. So this is it. So I can open to this. I can open file location. So this is it. Alright, so this is, you can now have one passport picture size like this. Then you can use this one to fill any form. This is a new trick I've shown you. Thank you for watching this video. if you really enjoyed this video, kindly